Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable text boundary in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to enable or disable text boundaries. Firstly, open a Publisher document. Then go to the View menu and we can see here the show margin or guides or anything. Now we want to enable the text boundary, select the show margin option and we can see here the text boundary. You can add the flow of this text, select this text flow option. Now we can see we add the text boundary very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.